Hey guys, back again today. We're going to be doing some more trail building, and I'm standing on a roller right now, and there's a second one right here, and behind me there's a berm, and it's filled with water. And it's part of the original trails that I started building back here in the woods. In fact, this roller I'm standing on is the original feature that I built. So it's looking pretty shabby. This one's looking really shabby. We had to stack up a bunch of stuff underneath, and it's starting to show all the dirt's kind of washed off. So we're gonna be rebuilding this. This one's gonna take a really long time, so I don't know if I'm gonna show the whole thing on video, but this one definitely gonna be doing. Maybe rebuild the berm, we'll see. Probably just the rollers today though. So it's not really coming together. You can see I got the face of it down pretty good, a lot of dirt on it, but the back side is just so far gone. You can't really refix it without rebuilding the whole thing, and you can see it kind of fell away a lot. Just kind of all the dirt just kind of washed straight back down in, and I can't really rebuild it without refinishing the whole thing and getting a bunch of supplies. So I don't know that I'm gonna do that today, but it will probably get done at some point. For today, I'm just gonna stick with that one roller. I don't know that this roller is gonna get done anytime soon. It's just so much work. And okay, so you see this area right over here behind the bridge, that little bridge? I'm thinking of making that a pump track. If you think I should make that a pump track and buy a BMX bike to start doing some stuff with that, leave a comment saying yes, and also like and subscribe just because it's the nice thing to do. Hey, I'm Scott. Thanks again for watching, and watch again next time.